Quick one, this is my design practice number 2, which is an interactive toggle button. You must have come across such interactive toggle button on your smartphone or laptops. Now let me show you how I was able to bring up the concept of this interactive toggle button in Figma. This is the off state of the interactive toggle button, and as we can see on the upper part of this off state, we can see the movement, which is like the transition which this interactive button traveled, having this bouncy effect to its on state, and at the same time having the same travel effect back to its off state again from its on state, which is filled in blue, down to its off state again. So let's check out the prototype. The prototype is more like the cycle which the button travels from its off state to the on state. So let's test our toggle button by switching it on and off, switching it on and off. So thank you guys for checking out my design practice. See you in the next one.